Now this is a very famous dish, Korean beef bulgogi, also known as bibimbap.
Yes, bibimbap.
Very strong flavour bulgogi. It loosely translates back to fire meat. So there's a little bit of bang to it. So this is our bibimbap.